Goes, now let us move towards the CT scan of thorax at T4 vertebral level. This is the fourth lecture in this lecture series. All the 3 previous lectures link is in the description down below. Please go and have a look of that lecture and let us continue with the lecture series. Now let us see first of all the scan. So this is our scan we are going to study in this lecture. Before reading a scan or the structures in the scan, you must know the left and the right side. So what is the rule? Your right side is the scan's left side and your left side is the scan's right side. Now let us move towards the scan. The most prominent or the structure first you are identifying in the scan is this is our vertebrae. Okay. In front of vertebrae we have another structure and that is esophagus. Okay. So this structure is our esophagus. And in front of esophagus we have another dark or black structure and that is trachea. Why it is black? Because it contains air. Air is a hypotenuse structure which appears black on the scan. And we have another air filled structure and that is our lungs. Okay. Now at T4 level we have ascending aorta and descending aorta. Because at T3, T4 we start in front with the ascending aorta, it arches at T3 and it again comes down as a descending aorta. So in front of trachea we have an artery and that is ascending aorta. AA for ascending aorta. Diagonally to the trachea we have another artery and that is descending aorta. Okay. Just beside the ascending aorta, we have superior vena cava. So this is SVC. This is our superior vena cava. Okay. Now we are able to appreciate some surrounding structures, and those are, this is our ribs. This is the scapula. These are all muscles. Okay. So these are all muscles. So these are the structures you are able to appreciate in this CT scan. Okay, one more structure is remaining and I want to show it, and we are going towards the other scan. In this scan is more clear, or you can say it is a diagrammatic representation of a scan. In this I have removed all of the ribs and musculature, scapula, all of the surrounding muscles. So what we are left with? We are left with the lungs, right? We are left with the trachea. This is our vertebrae. This is our ascending aorta. This is our descending aorta. This is our superior vena cava, okay, and this is our esophagus. Now we are left with one structure and that is this. What is this structure? This structure is azygous arch. Okay, so here we are done with the CT scan of thorax at T4 vertebral level. The next lecture will be on the CT scan of thorax at T5 vertebral level, and all of the previous lecture links is in the description down below.